In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Calculator. This tool makes planning a Forex trade simple and consistent, so you always know your position size, risk, and potential outcomes before you click buy or sell. Start by going to the Myfxbook website. At the top of the page, click on Forex Calculators. You'll see a set of calculators for different needs, including position size, pip, margin, and profit. Choose the one that fits what you want to figure out. For most traders, the position size calculator is the best starting point because it tells you exactly how many lots or units to trade based on your account, your risk, and your stop loss. Let's walk through the position size calculator. First, select your currency pair, for example EUR/USD. Pick the pair you plan to trade, because pip value and price behavior vary from pair to pair. Next, select your account currency, such as USD. This should match the currency your brokerage account is denominated in, so the numbers make sense for you. Enter your account size, for example, 1,000. This can be your current balance or equity, depending on what you manage risk against. It's important to enter a realistic number. Don't overstate it, because everything that follows is calculated from this figure. Enter your risk percentage, for example, 1%. This tells the calculator how much of your account you're willing to lose if the trade hits the stop loss. Many traders keep this between 0.5% and 2% to stay consistent and protect capital, but choose the figure that matches your plan. Finally, enter your stop loss in pips. This is the distance between your planned entry price and your stop. Determine it from your chart first, based on structure and volatility, then type the pip distance here. Remember, for most non-JPY pairs, 1 pip is 0.0001, and for JPY pairs, 1 pip is 0.01. When everything is set, click Calculate. The tool will instantly give you the recommended position size in lots, and often the value per pip and the exact monetary risk. Use that position size in your trading platform so that if your stop is hit, the loss is close to your chosen risk percentage. If the size looks too large or too small, adjust your stop distance or risk percentage and calculate again until it aligns with your plan. If you need different details, you can return to the Forex Calculators page and pick pip, margin, or profit calculators to answer specific questions. That's all there is to it. Quick, precise, and consistent.